In this video tutorial, I am going to design an angle block in SolidWorks. So first thing is that you needed to verify your units. So your units must be in the according to the given drawings or according to the working units. So if you go here, the units are selected IPS inches pound seconds. We are good. You can also change the units from here, options, documents, units, and from here the unit system. So go to sketch, select the sketch, and the sketch tool will ask, the message will appear, select a plane on which to create a sketch for the, so this is our plane. I'm going to select the front plane as the plane of my sketch. So go to line tool, select this point, this region, draw a line like that. I'm just going to draw a complete profile, and then I'm going to give the dimensions. So as you see, this line is not a horizontal line, but we needed a horizontal line. So select this line, and for the line properties, go here and select horizontal. So it will make this line horizontal. Go to smart dimension tool and define the dimension from this point to this horizontal dimension is given as 4.5, and this dimension is given as 1.3, and dimension from this point to this point, this is a vertical dimension we are going to add, this is 2 inches, and the angle between this line and this line, you can move in different areas and you can select the right angle which you want to put here. So we want to add an angle here, so this angle is given as 54, and then this dimension is 0.75. Now I'm going to add some relation. So go here, display and relate relation, go here, add relation, select this line and this line. The sketch intensities, these two lines will appear here, and it will ask which relation you want to add. So I'm going to add an equal relation between these two lines. So as you see, the color of the all of the lines is turned into black, that meaning the sketch is fully defined. So, and by the way, we can also add the relation if you press the control button on your keyboard and select this line. By pressing the control button and select this line, it will also ask about the relation. So equal relation. Okay, exit the sketch, go to isometric view, and then select the extrude base boss feature. So make sure your sketch is selected. If the sketch is not selected, you needed to select it. So the dimension for this is given as 3.5, and for the direction 1, make sure the blind is selected, and you can select on which direction you want to make the sketch base boss extruded features. So the base boss extruded feature will add the material to your sketch. So click OK. So this is the first feature we added, and under the feature tree, feature manager design tree, you will see a boss extruded one is appear, and also a sketch which we draw on the front plane is also there. So this step we just perform. Now next thing is that I am going to make a counterboard on this slope. So go to sketch, select the sketch and select this surface. Make sure you will select the right surface for the sketch, and select the go here on heads up tool, and under view orientation select this normal tool, so it will make the uh, plane of your sketch normal to your eyes or your face. And then go here, select the line tool, center line, draw a diagonal line starting from this point, move your mouse here, select this point and select this point and draw this line and select. So then go here on circle, and when you selected the circle, go here on this line and find the midpoint of this line. So when you move your mouse on this line, you will see a midpoint will be highlighted here. You can also do it by highlighting this midpoint and drawing a circle here, or you can also draw a circle here, then go here on add relation, select this circle and select this line, and sorry, not circle, we needed to select this point and then this line and select our midpoint relation between them. It will make this center of this circle in the middle of this diagonal line, and this is given as 1. And exit the sketch and go to isometric, go to feature tab and select the cut extruded. Select this sketch if it's not selected, and then under the direction 1, go here blind, make it through all, so it will cut the material through all of that model. And then again go to sketch, the plane of the sketch will be this surface, go to normal and draw a circle. So to draw this circle, we needed to highlight the center of this circle. So when you selected this circle, go here on the edge of this circle, it will highlight the center point of that circle. So when it's highlighted, select like that and give the dimension to this circle. It's 1.25, or we can make it 1.5. So you can also draw a circle anywhere like that, and then go here add relation, select this circle and this circle, and under the add relation select concentric. Concentric will make the center point of these two circles on the same point. The both center will be coincident to each other. And dimension, and this dimension is 1.5. Exit the sketch and select cut extruded, and this dimension for under the direction 1 select blind and select here 1.5, and make sure the direction is in the right way. If it's not, then go here and click over here. So this arrow will telling us on which direction it will make the cut or remove the material. So we wanted in that direction, make sure the selection of the direction is correct and okay. So this is done. Thank you so much.